Hi guys! Today we're making roasted chicken and sweet potatoes. It's a comforting dish made on one sheet tray. First, heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. For the chicken, I'm using 4 thighs, bone in and skin on. About 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram. They've been washed and patted dry with paper towels. You can trim the excess fat and excess skin if you'd like. I'm going to keep it on for this recipe. We'll make a spice rub to season the chicken. Salt, ground black pepper, ground cumin, garlic powder, paprika. You can use sweet or smoked, and ground coriander. Give it a mix. Turn the chicken over and season it. Put some seasoning under the skin. Rub a little bit of olive oil all over the skin. About a teaspoon is enough. And the rest of the seasoning goes on top. Set the chicken aside to marinate while we prepare the other ingredients. I've got 3 medium sweet potatoes. Well, 2 huge and 1 small, but you can use about 3 medium. This is about 1.5 pounds of sweet potatoes. Go ahead and peel them. I'll give these a wash and cut them up. Season the sweet potatoes with salt, ground black pepper, ground cumin, ground cinnamon, and 2 pinches of grated nutmeg. Olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Mix that all up. Slice a large yellow onion. Thick slices since they're going to roast in the oven. Put the sweet potatoes on one side of the sheet tray. In a single layer. Put the sliced onions in the same bowl that the sweet potatoes were in. A little bit of salt. There's enough oil and spices left over in the bowl to coat the onions. Give it a mix. Put the chicken on the other side of the sheet tray. And we have just enough space for the onions. Put the tray in the heated oven and cook for about 45 minutes. Halfway through cooking, we'll turn the sweet potatoes and the onions. Back in the oven for about 20 minutes. You can always remove the onions and potatoes from the pan if they're done before 45 minutes, and leave the chicken to continue cooking. These thighs are really big, so they will take the full 45 minutes. If the chicken skin looks a little dry, baste it with some of the juices from the pan. The potatoes are nicely cooked. They're very tender, they're not falling apart because we cut them big enough. Onions are nice and soft. Chicken skin is a little crispy and is well cooked. We'll chop some cilantro leaves. I hope you liked this recipe and try it out for dinner. Click on that bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.